Introducing the all-new folding digital pedal exerciser from Forsite Health. This high-quality pedal exerciser features a unique folding design and tool-free assembly, meaning it's virtually ready to go right out of the box. Ideal for those who want to get a little extra exercise while watching TV or while sitting at your desk, this exerciser will increase blood circulation and flexibility in your legs. Also ideal for arms, simply place it on a table for increasing flexibility, blood circulation, and range in your arms. If you need to increase the tension, the handy tension knob makes it ideal for just about any user. The removable digital display features a 5-function display that counts your exercise time, revolution, strides, and calories burned. The easy folding feature allows you to store the pedal exerciser away when not in use and also makes it ideal for travel. The large rubber foot grips will add stability to each workout, whether you're using it for your arms or legs. Complete with a 1-year warranty, this pedal exerciser can be an essential exercise tool all year long, increasing circulation and giving you added workouts when otherwise would not be possible.